How to use Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, you need to install the latest version of Canva application. So let's launch the Canva application over here and also make sure that you're logged into your account on Canva. Now as you're logged into your account on Canva application, simply make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now as I have checked on the proper connection, what you can simply do is you can create any sort of content or any sort of Instagram, Facebook, or you can create resume, we can create websites or anything that you'd want. You can also get, there are thousands of templates available over here. So what you simply need to do over here is, if you want to create an Instagram story, what you can simply do is tap on the search templates over here and you can simply search for Instagram story. So I'm going to search for Instagram story over here and then search for it. As you search for it, you'll be able to see that different templates over here, free, premium versions and so on. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you and you can simply tap on any of the templates. For example, I've chosen this one and you can simply replace the media, you can replace the text, you can edit any sort of text and so on according to whatever is more convenient for you. So you can simply replace the media by tapping on any of the medias over here. So you can simply tap on it, whichever section you'd want to replace, and here you can simply see the option of replace at the bottom of the screen as the option. So let's wait until it pops up. So let's just wait. So let's select on the particular picture and you'll be able to see the replace option at the bottom and you'll be able to replace the media over here. So simply do that and you can just make it more customized as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.